guys, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year. So today I'm starting a new vlog. It's related to engine room tour. The third engine on this ship has supported me a lot to make this video possible. In this video I will show you the working of all equipments in engine room and the daily life of engineers, how they deal with it. So stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Hello guys, so we are going to do a engine room tour today, and this is our third engineer and this is Amy. So we'll tell you about the main engine, how it works, everything. So let's go. So guys, due to a lot of noise in the engine room, it's not possible to hear the proper voice, so I have to give the voice over. So basically, which you are looking at the equipment, it is called air compressor. This air compressor is used to supply air to the equipments which are working from the air, especially like grinder, chipping gun, whistle and other equipments which are required air to start up. And this air compressor, to start up this air, we have two cylinders. In that two cylinders, the air is filled up. Whenever we need air on the deck, we open this cylinders, and from this cylinders air is supplied to the equipments on the deck. So guys, this is air bottles and this is air compressor. We are filling this air from this air compressor. This is two bottles of, you can see over here. That's correct? Okay, let's go. This is the workshop. So guys, this is our workshop. The engineers work over here. As you can see, all the tools are here. So guys, the equipment we are looking over here is called boiler. This boiler is used to produce steam, and the steam is used for main engine propulsion system, and it is used to maintain the ship's speed. As you can see, this is very big boiler. And now we are going to other equipment called incinerator. This incinerator used to burn the garbage. Actually, we don't throw garbage overboard. What are the garbage we put inside this incinerator and burn it. This is a very useful equipment because as per the MARPOL conditions, we cannot throw garbage overboard. We have to burn it over here. So this is a very important equipment on board. Guys, this is basically an incinerator. We don't throw garbage overboard, we basically burn. So we put all these things inside the incinerator and we burn it. So guys, the other equipment which you are looking over here is called purifier. As the oil which is transferred to the engine is not so purified, so what we do, we purify the oil, then we are transferring this oil to the engine. If we transfer the unpurified oil, the engine can get damaged. So this is also very important equipment on board. It's called purifier. Oil directly to the main engine. The oil purifies, then we transfer the oil to the main engine. So you can see over here, this one is purifier. So this equipment is called a sewage treatment tank. All the waste from the ship, for example washing clothes, shower waste, human waste, all the waste are collected in this tank, and as per the regulations we cannot throw this waste in coastal areas. So all the waste are collected in this tank. As soon as the vessel moves in the mid-ocean, we discharge this waste into the mid-ocean, and that's why this is also a very important equipment on board. This is called sewage treatment plant. So this is called main engine. In this we have 6 cylinders. So basically it depends on the vessel size, how many cylinders are there in engine. So on this engine we have 6 cylinders. So other vessels have 7 cylinders, 8 cylinders, depends upon the size of the vessel. So guys, we are going for the next equipment. This is called generator. We have presently 3 generators on board. So when the ship is moving, the presently one generator is enough, and when we need cranes and other hydraulic pump, so we start second generator. And when all accommodation lights, cranes, and when the ship is underway, we need 3 generators. So this is also a very important equipment on board. So guys, this is the bottom floor of the main engine. On the top is the main engine upper part, and down is the lower part of the main engine. So basically we have 3 floors: first floor, second floor, and bottom floor. So on the second floor the main engine is there, and the bottom floor, the lower part of the main engine, is on the third floor. And you can see over here, so basically this oily water separator works like, whatever the machinery uses oil in engine room, this impure oil is collected in one tank, and this oil also has some water, so we cannot discharge the oil directly overboard. So what does this oily water separator do? It separates the oil and water in two forms, and this oil will discharge at port. It's in the form of sludge, and this water will discharge overboard when the vessel is underway.
This is our control room.
So this is engine control room, where they operate the main engines and other operations. All are things conducted from here.
So this is a display which showing all the parameters, like how much the pressures, temperature, all the machineries. So we first check all the temperature, pressure in there. After if we see some problem, then we go for the repair this machinery. So this is all the parameters showing here.
Okay. And what things are this one?
This is for the electricals. This is the panels of electricals, like our cranes, generators, and also the pumps.
All right.
This is all the used by the electrical engineers.
Okay. This is all for electrical engineers.
Yes, this is electrical panels for the generators and our pumps and cranes.
All right. So basically, if you see over here, we have also 2 life jackets and 2 immersion suits in engine room, and also 2 EBDs and 1 CO2. If something happens during mid-sea, the people in engine control room can safely evacuate with this one in case of fire, or in case the ship is going to sink, they can use this immersion suits and life jackets. I can show you here. You can see we have 2 immersion suits and 2 life jackets. Basically, at a time there are two watchkeepers, and that's why we keep 2 immersion suits and 2 life jackets. So guys, 30J will tell us the watchkeeping system of engine room and basic routine. So what's the basic routine in engine room?
So we start our work from the 8 a.m. So before the 8 a.m. we need to all the crews there in ECR before 15 minutes.
So all crews are gathered around 8 o'clock in the morning.
8 o'clock. So before sharp 8 o'clock means 7:45 all the crews there. So our duty start from the 8 a.m. morning.
Okay.
So before 15 minutes they come, because if have any emergency, if have something is going on wrong in the engine room, first we take the safety round, check everything is there. After they start their watch.
So,
So-
first they take the safety round in the
Yes,
morning,
yes.
and after that they start the daily routine maintenance.
Daily routine.
Okay.
So it's this daily routine start at 8 o'clock. So 8 o'clock we start our job. Chief engineer also coming here. Chief engineer give the jobs to us.
So guys, chief engineer is the head of the engine department basically, and after comes the first engineer, second engineer, the third engineer, and if you have cadet, engine cadet, and after that the crew, motorman, engine trainee, all these people.
Yes. So at the 8 o'clock in morning, 8 a.m. we start our job. After start our job, we check if something is wrong, something is or everything is okay. We check all the machineries. If have some machineries is the need for repairing, we start repairing. All the duty engineers which have own motormans, just like for the third engineer have one motormans, second engineer also have one motormans, and chief engineer which is to give the order. And the after this we start our job.
So basically the chief engineer comes in the morning and he gives the job to the people, and after that the daily maintenance goes on. In case of coastal voyage, suppose we are near the land or we are doing some maneuvering, so 4 on 8 off the watches are conducted. That's correct?
Yeah.
So in mid-ocean, they usually do from 8 to 5, and in case of coastal voyages, they have the same watches as per deck department from 4 on 8 off. So
Yeah.
like this.
Like this. So basically our ship is a UMS class vessel.
UMS is unmanned system, so after 8 o'clock they put this in UMS. Whatever the alarm will come, it will come directly to the officer's engineer's cabin that there is something problem in the engine room, and it will be, there will be a warning signal in the cabin. This is called unmanned system.
Yes, unmanned system is the watch is only for 8 hours, like morning 8 a.m. to evening 5 p.m. After 5 p.m. we put our the UMS system, same like that which second officer told you. So after this we just go for rest at the night time, and again we come morning 8 a.m.
Okay.
This is the watch system.
So this is our basically a watch system. So in this engine room, lots of things are there. We cannot show you all the things at a time. Easily I'll show you. So thank you, Mr. Engineer, for cooperation, and don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.